Why does EFF think it's important for these search warrants to be available to the public?
Yeah, these search warrants reflect law enforcement's request for judicial authorization to use invasive surveillance technologies and to collect really sensitive private information about people's lives. And so we think that the public has a high level of interest in understanding generally how law enforcement obtains that information, including what crimes they are investigating when they seek to either use this technology or seek that type of data, what knowledge the particular law enforcement officers have who are swearing the affidavit in support of a search warrant like this. And we also think some of the particular technologies that they use that are authorized by these search warrants are acutely sort of or have an acute risk to people's privacy and civil liberties, and in particular the cell site simulators that are authorized here, which allow law enforcement to mimic a cell tower and connect every phone that's in an area to them. Both the legislature has recognized that these sorts of technologies raise civil liberty and privacy concerns. And so we think it's important that the public understand when these technologies are used and what facts and reasoning underlie a court's decision to grant a request to use such an invasive privacy invasive surveillance tool.
Yeah, I think we talked about last time that people whose data may have been swept up in these cell site simulators and warrants may not know that their information has been swept up in them and don't have much right to find out that their information has been swept up.
Yeah, so by definition, a cell site simulator, because it's capturing phone information from anyone that happens to be nearby, it's going to necessarily sweep up both the targets of the law enforcement investigation as well as anybody who happens to be in the area, including innocent people. And there's often no way that you're able to know that you were in the vicinity of a cell site simulator, much less to know what type of information you provided from your phone that was collected by law enforcement in the course of their use of the cell site simulator. So I think, there's both a transparency issue here as well as the sort of underlying privacy and civil liberties concerns that comes up when a law enforcement agency deploys a cell site simulator.